Yo, what is going on, guys? Crypto Kid here, coming at you guys again with another video, guys. Today, real quick, I did want to cover Chainlink a little bit just because, we've all seen it. The price is absolutely bonkers what it's been doing. Let's come over to the Coinbase charts because they're a little more precise right here. So let's go ahead and check out Chainlink, guys. This week, I'm really excited to see what it's up because I'm pretty sure it's something absurd. Almost 38% gains in one single week for Chainlink. Now, why is this, you might ask? Like I've covered in previous videos, guys, Chainlink is one of the only cryptocurrencies that's really doing something and making partnerships literally like every single day, if not every single week. We saw Kyber Network, we've seen ByDAO, we've seen all these different coins that come onto the scene, and Chainlink, no questions asked, boom, they're doing a partnership with them. They're really doing something, and like I've said in past videos, you got to look for the 1% of cryptocurrencies that are going to be around 5-10 years from now, and Chainlink, in my opinion, is one of those currencies. So if you believe that, you got to understand how much money will be in these currencies by that time. That's going to trickle into these from all of the crap coins, basically. And boom, Chainlink, I really do think it's going to have a positive upcoming decade. Super positive. I think it's going to make a lot of people very, very rich, and I think people are starting to recognize that right now with this massive gain. I think it's a little crazy that people are counting out Tezos, XTZ, but yeah, I am glad that Chainlink is finally kind of getting the recognition it deserves, and I'm also a little psyched because I got a good bag of Chainlink that has gone up quite a bit. So where do I personally believe the price of Chainlink is going to go? Are we in a moon scenario already? Is the market in a bull run? Honestly, guys, it's a little too early to tell, but things are going in the right direction. Let me just say that. I think that Corona and COVID, that whole situation, I really do think that people are starting to return. I can't speak. People are starting to return to normal. I'm not sure if you guys saw, but the Trump administration or whatever started this, they're calling it like warp speed or something. If you guys are from the US, this is what's going on. They started like this warp speed project to try to get out some like they're trying to get some vaccinations out to a lot of people. They basically put in $1.4 billion into like Novavax or something, a company like that, to speed all this up. So if that ends up working out, guys, and then people end up getting the vaccine, and things starting to return to normal, I think that we're finally going to get that crypto bull run that we've been waiting for so long. And who knows, guys, Chainlink might be leading that cycle right now with that 38% on the week. Now, would I invest in Chainlink right now? No, I'm not going to put in a whole lot more money just because I think that it is a little oversold at the moment. I think that there are a lot of good projects that are almost as good as Chainlink, like Tezos, that kind of got undervalued this past week, and that money's going to start going to them. So I'd much rather invest in Tezos right now than Chainlink. That being said, if you are confident in Chainlink, it's not a bad investment in my opinion whatsoever. This past week clearly proved it. This past month, it's up almost 50%, which is obviously pretty absurd. Where do I personally think the Chainlink price is going? Well, we come over and look at the yearly, guys. Honestly, the all-time, I think that this is the highest it's ever been. So what's exciting about this right now is that we're kind of in that price discovery phase that Tezos saw a few months back, where the price is just going to absurd lengths, and the market's kind of trying to feel like, where is Chainlink's true price? Like, where is it kind of going to be trading at? Bitcoin kind of found its true price in around like the $9,000 to $10,000 range that it's been floating at for years. And I think every few years it's just going to kind of bump up naturally. But right now, I think Chainlink is trying to find that $9,000 to $10,000 sweet spot that Bitcoin found. And who knows where that's going to be. It could be lower than what we're at right now. It could be higher. So if I was talking to somebody about investing in Chainlink right now, I'd tell them it's probably going to go it's either going to go much higher or much lower, in my opinion. I don't really see it sitting at this one, but all I know is that the volatility right now is going to be absurd. So if you're going to invest in Chainlink, make sure you're not emotionally tied to the investment. Make sure you're investing only what you are able to lose, because I think it's going to be a lot of crazy price movement in the upcoming week. So maybe it could end up breaking $7. That would be absurd. I really did not see that coming at all. But yeah, if it ends up breaking $7, guys, you might want to just hop on the train at that point. Not financial advice, but yeah. Me personally, I think it's going to kind of stagnate around the 575 to 650 levels for the next month or two. But yeah, who really knows? If the bull cycle really did start, we could be seeing massive gains, but that's just kind of what I'm thinking for right now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and drop a comment of what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.